Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to add text bars to square videos inside of Content Samurai. So let's just jump straight into it. Here inside of Content Samurai, we're quickly going to create a new video. So wait for that to load up real quick, and you'll see here we have our template. Of course, inside Content Samurai, you have all the templates that you see here. In this case, we're talking about videos for social media, square videos. So we'll just go ahead and select that template, and we're going to use that one. Of course, you can always click here to customize this template. And when you do that, you can change the background color here. So we could say we'll go with red. And of course, you can always change the font style right there. You'll see that'll update there in a second. Changing that. And then you can change the text weight. You can change the text weight there. The normal text color, of course, that'll change the color right there. So as you can see, this is very optimizable. Yes, optimizable. So you can make all those kind of changes that you see fit inside of the template, or we can just go with the standard template. In this case, let's go with let's just stick with the black. Use this template. That'll load up, or that'll move you to the next step, which is to add a script. In this one, we're going to make a little video about 30minutemarketing.net. So we're just going to use this tagline. It's not about faster, it's about focus. And then we're going to grab some text off of the home page here. Best place to start. Start with the report, is affiliate marketing a waste of time or your time or money? And we'll just paste that in right there. Get your free report today at 30minutemarketing.net. And of course, you can change all the options here. Automatically fix text to layout. We'll go with that one. Of course, you have all these options here on the left-hand side under your video title. Of course, in this case, the video title is going to be the top text bar. When we get to the next scene, you'll see that when it creates the scenes. So now you can see right there, it's not about faster, it's about focus. And then, of course, this will always remain right here. So let's go back to the script and let's change this and make this camel case. So we'll make every word a capital, and then we'll go back to scene, then we'll go over to edit scenes. That should have changed that. Nope, it didn't change it because I didn't hit edit script. If you click edit script and then create scenes, let's see if it'll update it then. Sometimes it doesn't update it there, so you just have to manually update it here. Otherwise, you have to start a complete new project, but we'll just keep cruising along here, and we'll just update this on the fly. Right there. So there you can see you can edit that right in there. And of course, we're going to use an upload. I uploaded a video earlier, which is my 30minutemarketing.net logo, which is a little spinning logo there that you can see. So we'll just go ahead and look at all these screens. Of course, I want the logo to be in every screen. So we'll change that in each screen right there. Now you can see that the logo is in every screen. And we'll add voice, text to video. In this case, let's see, music only, auto voice. Of course, you can record your own voice track. There's also a video that I did here on Content Samurai. I'll leave a card here at the top about using Audacity to record your own voice. It's a lot clearer because it doesn't depend on your internet connection. And then, of course, you can upload that voice track again, that video with that card, talking about Content Samurai and Audacity. All right, so we're just going to go with music only for now and just preview that video. Should take about a second or 3 here. Of course, when you're filming live video, it always takes a little longer. So there we go. And of course, here you have your options for music that's built in, or you can upload your own music. And we have about a 10-second video, and you can Click right there and you can see that preview. Of course, you can probably hear that music playing in the background. And that's not too bad. So we'll just go with that. Looks good. And as you can see, now we have a square video with text bars. And you'll generate that video. And then once that video is generated, we'll go ahead and download that video. Okay. And then once that video is rendered in the background, it'll be ready for you to download. And then of course you just click the download button and it will download your video. And of course that'll take about 4 seconds. And then we'll open that video and that video will play right there. And as you can see, the video is playing in VLC Player and you have text bars at the top and the bottom. And you can, of course, it's a square video. So any place that square videos work, you can upload that and use it in social media. So that's it in a nutshell. And of course, if you go back to my videos inside your Content Samurai, you'll see that that video is available right there to edit or to clone and to keep to make edits as needed. If you want to add, delete, change, add your own voice again. That's it. That is it in a nutshell, using Content Samurai to add text bars to square videos. All right. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, thumbs up. If it wasn't, thumbs down. Leave a comment either way. Hit the little bell to get the notification for new videos. This is Gary Baker with 30minutemarketing.net. I'll talk to you later. Bye.